Bitcoin price got rejected from a technical level of $74,000, a level that was given in advance in one of the weekly outlook. So right now we are going to take a look at those high probability level the price could react from going into a new week. Let's have a look. Welcome back. So the price got rejected from $74,000 from the anchor week VWAP that was pulled from the high of 97, 98K region. And as soon as price got here, it got rejected after tapping into the anchored VWAP, confluence with daily naked point of control. And we equally had some daily levels there. So going forward, looking at the price action that we have in front of us, good. Right now, the price was ranging between this low and this high. Now, we got a fake out of the high into the anchored VWAP and daily naked point of control. And now we are currently rejecting. And now, where could the price go? Where could the price go? That's the question that a lot of people are asking now. So now let's take a look at the range structurally. We had a low, a high, a higher low, and now a higher high. So if the price keeps this bearish momentum, I would expect the price to react from the daily naked point of control of 66,800 around this region. Then if this region fails to hold, then I'll be expecting a further drop to the downside at around the daily horizontal support level at 65,746 and 65,700, which was the previous daily naked point of control. Although that level has been tagged by price, but I just kept it there since it's still in perfect confluence with the new daily horizontal support level. So now, looking at the structure locally, if we take it out from here, you see that within this range we had a low, a high, a higher low, and a higher high. Now we are currently rejecting and looking for a potential higher low. And if the perfect region to get the higher low would be this region. And don't forget, guys, that we also have some kind of ugly liquidity stacking up in this region. So in case price breaks through the level aggressively, expect this liquidity to be taken, which could eventually send prices to the price of Bitcoin to lower. Okay, yeah. This could send the price of Bitcoin lower to below $60,000, below this price range. So if the price of Bitcoin gets here and this little daily naked points of control and okay, wait, let's also check the volume of this entire range. Okay, now the point of control of this range happens to be in perfect confluence with the daily naked point of control. And also, if we pull the fib using this low, if we use this overall low, although I'll pull it from this low and this low. Now, if we pull the fib from this low to the high, you see that the golden pocket of the fib retracement is also in perfect confluence with the daily naked point of control. And if we use this other low, the last higher low before the price broke the range to the upside, you see that we have the golden pocket or the golden ratio region to be in perfect confluence with the daily naked point of control and the range points of control. So this is the reason why this region is very, very important if we must bounce to the upside. So this is the bullish case scenario. This is the bullish case scenario, and if we bounce from here, since the price from higher time frame now, the price looks very bearish on a higher time frame. So if we bounce from here, where would we expect that pullback? We could bounce from this price region and go higher, and if price fails to bounce from this region to create a lower high from this region, then potentially go down. If price fails to create a lower high from that region, then we could expect the price to keep going higher to 81k price points. So we expect something like this. It breaks up through this level, backtest it at support, then breaks through the entire high, then backtest it at support. Then we could start expecting bearish reaction from this 78k region and 81k region. That's the bullish case scenario if price keeps going higher. But the bearish case scenario now, if price either breaks through this level and break the range low, and then we start reacting from this daily horizontal support level of 58k, and we also have some weekly or monthly NPUC there. Yeah, weekly monthly NPUC at 57,900 and daily horizontal level of 58,185. So these are the levels we'll be expecting price of Bitcoin to react from should we take out this overall range low here. So then again, is there any other level that I haven't mentioned now? Okay, so that will be all. Don't forget that this is also liquidity. We also have something like this. Yeah. So my immediate buyers for the coming week, where I'll be interested in taking trades again, would be, I would expect this level to give a little reaction to price up to the value area low. So we could bounce from this region. Then if we bounce from this region, expect a lower high from this daily naked point of control. And if we pull the fib from the high to the speculative low, could be here, you'd see that we'll almost have that region is almost in perfect confluence with the golden pocket of the fib retracement. And also if you pull the anchor viewer from that high, you see that we also have that price region to be in confluence with the downtrend anchored VWAP, golden pocket and daily naked point of control. So we could potentially make a lower high there, bounce from there, make a lower high from here, and boom, to the downside. So that's my overall outlook for the coming week. With that said, don't forget that this is not a financial advice. This is strictly the way I trade. And if you want to learn how to trade like this, go to the website at tradefuzz.com.ng and always trade responsibly. Don't forget to always use your stop loss whenever you trade. Enjoy the rest of your week, guys.